Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about CFX price prediction. So before I started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. So we're gonna start with the CFX per Bay USD here, right? So already go to the yellow one, upper band on the 0.6776 US dollar. So this is now using a 4-hour chart and powered by Binance for it, right? So it's trying to push it again to above the 0.8443 and really have an opportunity to go that point, right? But if not, then it should be having a really big volume to close this green bar here, a really big volume here to the pink one side here, middle band 0.3520 US dollar here, right? But looking on the RSI stochastic is already overbought little bit only, overbought zone here, and the moving average here is trying to push it to up again, right? Not go down. In the yellow one here, moving average 7 on the 0.5302 if there is any correction in here. We're gonna zoom in in the 1-hour chart is already having correction to close this green bar here to the yellow one here, moving average 7 on the 0.6524 US dollar here. And if there is any correction to close the green bar here, this one, go to the pink one side, moving average 25 on the 0.5320 US dollar here. For the Bollinger Band here is trying to go to the pink one side here, middle band on the 0.5825 US dollar. So if you want to entry, then slightly you can entry on the 0.4 or 0.5. Don't entry right now because it's a little bit risky, little bit, right, already 150%, right? Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question, just let me know, put your comment below. So congratulations for you the entry in here, and now it's already like gained 150%.